Venmo Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? What if your everyday spending habits could automatically choose your best rewards category for you? That is the surprising truth behind the Venmo Credit Card, and most people have no idea how powerful that feature really is. This card offers cashback in your top spending category each month, without you needing to activate or track anything. Whether you spend most on groceries, dining, gas, or entertainment, Venmo automatically detects where you spend the most and applies the highest cashback rate there. You earn 3% back on your top category, 2% on your second category, and 1% on everything else. Rewards can be redeemed instantly into your Venmo balance, used to pay friends, or transferred to your bank. There is no annual fee, which makes this card very attractive for everyday users. You also get Visa protections, fraud monitoring, and virtual card features for online purchases. The card integrates deeply into the Venmo app, so you can see spending trends, track rewards, and manage your payments easily. This is especially useful for people who already rely on Venmo for daily payments. The downside is that Venmo rewards are best used inside the Venmo ecosystem. If you want airline miles or hotel points, this is not the card for you. For people who want simple cashback, automatic optimization, and mobile-first banking, this card is surprisingly powerful. Verdict: worth it for everyday spenders who want simple, automatic cashback with no annual fee.